Your Volkswagen Infotainment system is your ultimate travel companion. To get started, climb inside the vehicle and tap on the brake. You'll notice a message that pops up on your touchscreen. Select Continue. Log in. Then scan the QR code and follow the prompts to link your vehicle to your MyVW account. Greeting you with a friendly welcome once linked, the infotainment system will automatically generate a user profile. With the help of your personal vehicle profile, you'll have navigation, music, vehicle info, and more all available at your fingertips. And your preferences will be conveniently stored for easy access on future drives. Program your favorite menus and functions via the touchscreen. You can configure and adjust tiles by tapping the square or home button here. Then tapping and holding a tile until a new window appears. To add a new page with tiles, tap the plus icon at the top of the touchscreen. Then the page template you want to add, and tap OK. Here, you can also delete a page by tapping Delete Page, then OK. To add or replace a tile's functions, in the new window, tap the tile you want to adjust, then select a function to add, and then tap Done. You can add quick access to other options by tapping the plus icon in Vehicle Favorites. Selecting a function, then tap Done. Once added, you'll have quick access to items like driving modes, where you can explore dynamic capabilities in Eco, Comfort, Sport, Traction, and Custom modes. To replace an existing favorite, just press and hold to select a new option. And so you never miss a beat, you can access your incoming notifications by tapping the icon here to keep you connected on the go. Looking for ways to personalize your infotainment experience even further? For helpful tips, go to the menu icon in the upper left. Select Tips and Help, then Tips, and finally tap Customization. If you're having trouble seeing your touchscreen, you can easily adjust the brightness in the control center here. You can also switch between dark and bright mode here, which can help reduce the visibility of fingerprints. Once you've personalized the infotainment system to your liking, you can access functions and favorites by simply tapping your tile of choice to explore. Features such as navigation, radio and media, climate control, and IDA are available to add comfort, fun, and excitement to your driving experience. At any point, if you need to return to the home screen, tap the Home button here. To turn the system off, just press and hold the Power button. Or, in the event you ever need to reboot the infotainment system, press and hold the Power button for about 15 seconds. Do not perform a factory reset. Finally, you can keep your infotainment system operating at optimal levels with the help of regular, basic cleaning. Using a soft, clean microfiber cloth, you can remove dirt and other substances from the screen and controls. Apply gentle pressure and moisten lightly if needed. To explore the full potential of your infotainment system, consult your owner's manual by tapping the Help button here.